For a second grade unit on communities, we could use VoiceThread to introduce the idea of debate to students. So, this would be a debate on the pros and cons of urbanization. So, we would start with discussing rural versus urban communities and what each provides. So, on this slide, we would discuss a rural community and what we get out of a rural community and how it's vital in society. So, facts such as we get our vegetables and meats from rural communities, from farms. They provide greenery and green spaces for people. Some people like less crowded places to live. And then students could also contribute on this slide to other pros or positives of a rural community. An urban community provides a way for cultures to interact with one another. Some people like the way of life that they can have in an urban community, that there's a lot going on, and they can enjoy every kind of store or business or restaurant that they might want to go to. And then on this slide, students could add other positives of an urban community, and those can be from their own experience or from their research or from any videos that we've watched in the unit so far. Now students have the opportunity to compare a rural community and an urban community and make the decision for themselves as to which side of the quote unquote debate, it's really just an introductory to the debate, but which side of the debate they would want to be on. So students could, at this point, make their actual argument as to whether they would want to be in a rural community or an urban community and why, or whether they think that they would like to try out both or whatever their stance might be. This is their opportunity to explain it.